welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, there is no makeup on my face except moisturizer and Vaseline. So today I'm in a mood to create beautiful winged liners, and with that I want to create something bold and beautiful that might be a pink lipstick because it will match with my top. So without any further ado, let's get into the video.
So at first I'll go in with the one Peach Perfector, and it's a light foundation. You can say it's a CC cream, and with a beauty blender I'll blend it into my skin. After that I'll move on with the concealer, and for that I'm going to use my favorite Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'm in the shade Sand. ये मेरा second tube है, and I really love this concealer. Moving on, I'll move on with my eyebrows, and for that I'm going to use the Maybelline Fashion Brow. ये अब बहुत ही कम बचा है, as you can see, and I really love them. For my eyeliner, I'll go in with the Lakme Insta Liner, and I'm going to create beautiful wing liners. वो cat eye type का liner because I'm so much into them these days. For my kajal, I'll go in with the Nykaa Rock the Line kajal. Moving on with my mascara, I'm going to use the Colossal Mascara by Maybelline, and ये मेरा new purchase है and I really love this. For my highlighter, I'm going on with the Maybelline highlighter, the Master Chrome highlighter, and I'm in the shade Molten Gold. For the lipstick, I'm going to use the Sugar Cosmetics liquid lipstick, and I'm in the shade 07 Rethink Pink. It's a beautiful bold lipstick. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.